Today I'm going to take the opportunity to remind you of your Arabic alphabets. I know you've been advancing, looking at the verbs, the sentences, but I want you to go back, look at the alphabets, make sure that you know your letters, the way the letters connect, go over the videos for the verbs. Now, I'm going to teach you today some prepositions, and some of these are just letters. So it's very important for you to know your alphabet. What I'm going to do, so that I will not bore you, I'm going to use a verb and use a sentence. And when we do that, I'm going to use a preposition in the sentence. This way you will learn a verb and a preposition and a sentence structure. The first one I'm going to teach you is ila. Ila, and you will see it in books written this way. Ila is to. Okay, to. For instance, you can say أذهب أذهب إلى المطعم. Okay. I go to the restaurant. أذهب إلى المطعم. So this is your verb right here, أذهب. And remember what we said about the sentence structure in Arabic. The verb comes first. And the alif tells you that you're talking about yourself. So here you go. أذهب, I go. إلى المطعم, to the restaurant. Now, so it's very important for you to know your alphabets because you have to know how to read it. So it's أذهب إلى المطعم. Now the other reason it's important to read your alphabets because you can use another preposition for that. So instead of saying إلى, you can say أذهب للمطعم. So you connect lam to the word and it becomes to the restaurant. So it's إلى or la. When connected to where you're going, it means to. I'm going to leave this up for you. This way you can look at it. You say أجلس, I sit. أجلس على طاولتي. I sit at the table. Okay, ala means on. Okay, so in English you say I sit at the table, not on the table, but the preposition in Arabic is ala, which is really on, but that's the meaning is at. So أذهب للمطعم or إلى المطعم. إلى المطعم. أجلس على طاولتي. So now you know two prepositions already. إلى, to, and على is on. You're going to say آكل, I eat. في البيت, I eat at home or I eat in the house. This is في, which means in. So في, فيا, that means in. You can use another preposition for this. Just remove the fi and put أأكل بالبيت, I eat in the house. So those letters, ba, If that's connected to a word, it means in whatever you're talking about. Let's go over these three verbs quickly. So I want you to do this as an exercise at home. Go back to the previous verbs I taught you and say أنا أجلس هو, and you fill in the blanks. So أنا أجلس هو هي أنت أنتِ. This will be your homework for today. I want you to do this verb أنا أجلس هو هي أنت أنتِ, and I want you to fill in the blanks. The other verb I want you to try to do is أذهب, meaning I go. أنا أذهب هو, fill in the blanks. هي تذهب, I'm going to help you with this one. تذهب. أنت أنتِ, fill in the blanks. We'll see you next time.